So what do you get from each company averaged out over 2 years with the $2,500 initial cost? So again, this is a good driveway or a small driveway and a pool deck. You would fit into this category. Um, Company A, all right, they're going to come out twice. Your total over the 2 years is going to be 250 out the door, and this is what you would pay for each visit: 750 for the cleaning, 1,500 for the clean and seal. Company B is going to charge you 10%, 250 bucks to clean it. Okay, and that's once a year, guys, both company A and B, and then 750 to seal it, clean and seal it the next year or whatever you want to do. And again, that's one visit a year. That's their offer. Respectively, we are doing the maintenance that it takes. It does take 12 visits over the course of 2 years. You wouldn't clean your home once a year, and I know that you wouldn't clean it even 6 times a year. But for your outdoor spaces, definitely 6 times a year is what's required to just make sure they're always looking great. And that's really what we have here. So again, if you need to look over this, you can pause. We've broken it down. So if you guys have questions, if anything that we've gone over here, you need a little bit more clarification on, if there's something that just you want to talk to us about, give us a call. We'll explain it because we believe in the value here. We know that maybe this isn't for everybody. Hey, we could still clean it once a year. But we know that 90% of people end up letting this go after the initial cleaning. They're really stoked. They love the way it looks when it gets done, but they let it go. And we don't want you to let it go. We want you to be constantly enjoying your outdoor spaces. So if you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe. We've got all kinds of paver sealing and power washing content coming out soon. So yeah, I appreciate your time. And if you have questions, again, don't hesitate to call us up. Our number is 813-480-9093, or you can check out more about us on paversealtampa.com. Again, this is Daniel, Paver Seal Tampa. Thank you.